WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems (CMS) in the world, thanks to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. First released in 2003, WordPress now powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. Its open-source nature offers significant advantages in terms of flexibility and scalability. Advantages of WordPress: ease of use. WordPress allows you to create and manage content without requiring technical knowledge. This makes it ideal for a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced developers. Flexibility and customizability. With thousands of themes and plugins, you can fully customize your site and enhance its functionality. It offers solutions for all types of websites, from e-commerce sites to blogs, corporate websites to portfolios. SEO-friendly. WordPress provides an excellent foundation for search engine optimization (SEO). Its SEO-friendly URL structure, meta tags, and various SEO plugins make it easier to rank higher in search engine results. Community support. The extensive WordPress user and developer community continually contributes to the development of new plugins and themes. Additionally, there are numerous forums and resources available to help you with any issues you might encounter. Security. WordPress ensures the security of your site with regular updates and security patches. You can also enhance your site's protection with various security plugins. What you can do with WordPress: blogs and news sites easily create and manage content with its user-friendly interface. E-commerce sites. Sell your products online with plugins like WooCommerce. Corporate websites. Strengthen your business's online presence with professional-looking themes. Portfolio and personal sites. Showcase your work and talents with sleek and functional websites. WordPress SEO tips. Use SEO plugins. Optimize your site's SEO settings with popular plugins like Yoast SEO or all-in-one SEO pack. Create quality content. Produce unique and valuable content to rank higher in search engines. Keyword optimization. Naturally incorporate keywords into your content. Include keywords in titles, meta descriptions, and subheadings. Mobile-friendly design. Sites that do not display properly on mobile devices fall behind in SEO rankings. Use mobile-friendly themes to address this issue. Increase site speed. Fast-loading websites improve user experience and offer SEO advantages. Use caching plugins to enhance your site's speed. Conclusion: with its powerful and flexible nature, WordPress is an ideal solution for all types of websites. Its ease of use, expandability, and SEO compatibility make WordPress a perfect platform for both beginners and experienced web developers.